Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Berkshire Hathaway. This is ticker BRK.B. Now, Berkshire Hathaway is seeming to be a bit of a flock to safety kind of trade because as we have SPY under the 200-day moving average and as we have the Qs under the 200-day moving average, and heck, even as we have Bitcoin around the 200-day moving average, Berkshire Hathaway is just off the highs. And so people are flocking to Uncle Warren for safety during this time of uncertainty. And I suspect that if the market does turn around or bounce into next week, we should see new all-time highs here on Berkshire Hathaway. Today's move came on higher than average volume, and even over the last couple of days, buyers were stepping in to get this in and around the 21-day EMA. It didn't even come down to the 50-day. Heck, it didn't even get even close to the 200-day moving average. So some definite relative strength here on Berkshire Hathaway. So what I would do for a momentum trade is set an alert on Berkshire right around 519. If you see a move through and a close above 519, then we're going to have a breakout to new highs here on Berkshire Hathaway. So this is definitely a stock that we're paying close attention to over at StockMarketMentor.com. In fact, I mentioned it this morning in my morning note, so members of our website actually knew about this setup before the market even opened. Now, this is just one of many things we're looking at tonight, and if you want to see my full watch list, take a trial. Click that link, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.